Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video earlier tonight on how to find the red hairlines and make them a 500 point. But if you ever wanted to reverse the colors and actually have the black, the engraved, which it should be, so find out how big your items are, and they're 8.1. So let's change our nudge factor to 10. Let's select everything and go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. Then go up to Edit, Find and Replace, Edit Query. Go down to Outline Properties, double check, double click. We don't know what color it is for red for sure, so we're going to grab the eyedropper tool and we're going to click on the red, and then we're going to go OK. And then we're going to say Find All. A lot of times you might have to X out of this, but then you can nudge it over. And now all the red is over here, as you can see. And let's see, make sure they're thick. So we want the red to be the engraved. You can see it's 500 points. But we can left click black and then click all these and left click red. And they are hairlines. And then all you have to do is nudge it back. Now, if you happen to move any of these parts around, you're going to be in a little bit of a trouble because they're not going to come together. So you need to make sure, because if we do this, that black hole still stays there. But that's how you could reverse the colors. So this, and you can see they're a thicker line than the red hairline. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.